A completely PC-free method where we'll explain step-by-step how you can recover your device. One of the easiest and fastest ways is to recover your device. To do this, it's recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can follow along exactly as we redoing here. As you can see here on the top left, we have that padlock that's left on our phone after we formatted it. Okay, let's connect to our Wi-Fi network. First of all, we'll go to our network, connect, and start the recovery process. We also want to mention that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we have other completely different methods. A PC method and a PC-free method. We've included them in the video description. Now, with all that said, let's get to where that same lock appears. Where it all started, where the Google account appears. If that's your case, you formatted your phone because you didn't know about that screen lock. And after formatting, you still have the same lock now. Additionally, we have the Google account. Sometimes people don't know their screen lock. If you don't know what the screen lock says, well, here it shows you. Here we have this lock. Here we have where it says, use my Google account. If you're one of those people who forgot their screen lock, but didn't forget their Google account, then you have to do this. Add the email, click Next, add the password, and it will give you access. This would be one of the easiest and fastest ways to recover your phone. If you forgot that, then you're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail. You're going to write this here, click Next. You're going to write this here, and then you're going to write this here. Then you click Next again, and you're going to do this for 30 seconds. Having said all that, when those 30 seconds are up, we're going to go back to the beginning to complete this recovery process. For those of you who always fast forward through the video tutorial, if you missed any details, I recommend that you rewind it so you can to complete this process and exit successfully. Having said all that, we'll go back to the start screen. Gently, gently, gently. Here in the start screen, we'll enable accessibility. Go to Tabs, Enable Tabs. Click here to turn off. Then click here to finish. Click here to finish. Then click here to deny, and then double-click here. Then double-click here again. After doing that, you're going to click here as well. You're going to tap the screen several times, click back. Click here where it says Add New Network. Click here on this little gear. Click here on Language. The 3 dots, Updates. Click here on Updates. Go to the last option. Click here on Reset. We're going to reset these 4 options. Having said all that, what we're going to do now is restart our phone. We're going to click here on Restart. Now that our phone has completely restarted, we're going to wait for the restart to finish and then complete the process. Operation. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial, so you don't miss any details and can solve this account deletion from your device. Let's wait until it restarts and then we'll do the following. You know that in the video description and in the first pinned comment you'll be able to find other methods. You'll be able to find other updated methods there. Our phone has restarted. Now that it's restarted, we'll go to what it is. We'll click here where it says Start. Then we'll click here on Add. After we click Add, now we'll click here where it says Android. We're going to do the following. We'll need the phone to have a screen lock, so we're going to add a screen lock. Then we'll need a Wi-Fi network connection. And we'll also need the Play Store and a Google account. We're going to click here. It asks for a password, but don't worry, we won't need it. We'll need this account that appears here. We will need that. After doing all that, we need this here where it says Google Maps. The Google Maps option. We'll see this little camera icon here. We're going to click on the camera and scan this QR code. Then we'll click here where it says Sign in, and what we're going to do is synchronize both the screen lock and the Google account that we have here. Once synchronized, they're going to add the screen lock we have here so it synchronizes both the lock and the Google account. After we restart our phone, this device will have the Google account. Oh, now we click it. Okay, now that you've recognized that screen lock, now the account will be added successfully. Having said all that, what we're going to do now is press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button simultaneously and wait for your phone to restart. Once your phone restarts, we'll complete the recovery process. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and can fix and recover your device. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, in the video description and in the first pinned comment, you'll find many more different methods. Many updated methods for the latest version of Android. Methods without a PC and methods using a PC. Now that our phone has completely restarted, let's do the following. We'll complete this setup process. Click here to start. We click on Start. We click here on Add, and now it will take us to the section. Now, here it will say, your account was successfully added. When it says that our account was successfully added, it means the video tutorial was successful. Here it will appear. Now, the email we had on the other phone will appear here. Here we can see the email. It's added. We click Next. We click Next. We click here where it says Don't copy. We click here on Skip. We're not going to add anything. We click Skip. Here you can see the email again. We click Accept. We click Accept. Here we're going to click Finish. That's how we could recover our device. We say no. We say no. Now what we can do is add a new screen lock and be able to download all the applications we want. We click here on these small letters. We click on the small letters, on the blue letters. We click here on Skip. We click here on Skip again. We click here on Add on Next. We wait a few seconds. Okay, let's wait a few more points. We'll be finishing this recovery process here. We click Finish. That's all for this video tutorial. We'll wait. We'll wait here. The option to accept will appear here. We click it. Okay, I already clicked continue. We click here, we click open, and that's it. That's all for this video tutorial. Now, what we have to do is add a new lock, and the Google account will be synchronized.